Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been searching for a fast, stable, and secure internet connection, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a V2Ray Slow DNS config file and how to set it up using the HTTP Custom VPN app for better internet speed. Before we jump in, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video to support the channel. Now let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the search bar. Type 12-5 Tech Online and hit enter. Look for the official 12-5 Tech website in the search results and click on it. This is where we'll be creating our V2Ray Slow DNS config file. Once the homepage loads, locate the menu button, usually found in the top corner of the site. Click on it to reveal a drop-down list. Now, from the drop-down menu, tap on Slow DNS Config, and then choose V2Ray Slow DNS Config from the options. You'll now see a list of available HTTP Custom V2Ray Slow DNS Config files. Choose the latest version and hit the download button to save it on your device. It should download within seconds. Next, we'll move to setting it up in the HTTP Custom VPN app. Go to the Google Play Store and search for HTTP Custom. Once you find it, install the app on your device. After installation, open the app. On the home page, tap the ++ button. A pop-up window will appear. Click on Open Config. This will take you to your Downloads folder. Find the Slow DNS config file you just downloaded and select it. The file will import automatically in just a few seconds. Finally, tap on the Connect button. And that's it! You are now connected to a secure and super fast V2Ray Slow DNS server using the HTTP Custom app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more VPN and server setup tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.